What's up, everybody? I'd like to welcome everybody back to the video. Today we got a task ahead of us, man. I was gonna clean my car up, but I looked at these wheels and I said, hey, they got to be fixed. So today we're gonna be doing a DIY, taking care of the curb rash and the scratches on these wheels. So yeah, man, y'all sit back, enjoy the video, and leave a like, comment, subscribe down below, and let's get to it. Yeah, fam, like I told y'all earlier in the video, man, this is a small little project right here, but it do have to be good because it stands out, and that's one of the first things that people notice. So I'm gonna show y'all the tools that we're gonna be working with to get the job done. It's beginning to rain out here, fam, but this is what we went out and purchased. It's a little cheap too, but I did a little research. I really didn't want to spend a lot of money, and I really didn't want to have to go out and pay the wheel repair shop $100 a wheel on a low end. So we went out and got this 80-piece rotary warrior rotary tool kit, you know, do some light sanding, some polishing to get the wheels back smooth. And then we went to AutoZone, I'm sorry, and got this scratch all wheel touch up paint. So yeah, we're gonna fill it in. We're gonna see if this will take care of the job. So like I said, we're gonna jump on that using these tools right here, and we're gonna see how it turns out. And y'all comment down below and let me know what y'all think. You think it's gonna do the job? Yay or nay? Comment down below. Yeah, at this point in the process right here, we were just doing a little trial run just to see, to make sure if it was worth it. And so far so good for what we did, but we're gonna finish up the process and we're gonna see how it turns out. All right, fam, we ran into a little bit of delay. I'm gonna show y'all what we got going on. I didn't have everything in the kit that I thought I needed, but we just need some 120 sandpaper to get the smooth edges down where we won't mess up all of this black. But I'm gonna let y'all take a look. Yeah, you see right in here, everything coming around smooth. It's eating up all the rough edges. But right in here, this area right here, we don't want to have to peel all that back. Just have to repaint it, because we just sand that down real smooth and go on and touch it up. And even on this one, it's the same way. See up in there, oh sorry y'all, up in there it's not all that rough, but that's what we got to take care of. So brother running out to grab the sandpaper, and when he get back and we finish up, I'll turn y'all back on. All right, fam, we got that first wheel done. Y'all ready to take a look? All right, I'm gonna let y'all see what we got going on. All right, y'all can see, no more rash. There's no more curb rash. Not bad for a little $10 Harbor Freight tool and a touch-up pen. But like I said, man, we got 3 more wheels to go. We're gonna get it done, and I'll turn y'all back on and show y'all the end results. All right, fam, checking back in with y'all. We got everything all done up, man. It is done. I didn't get the clear coat put on there yet, but it look like it want to start raining out here. So as promised throughout the video, I told you I was going to show y'all how everything looked when it got finished. And I say, not bad for a little, what, $40 I spent, $10 on the Dremel, like $22 for the touch-up pen. So yeah, I think it overall it did all right job. All right, y'all remember that first wheel that we started with? That's how it look. Everything's drying. Like I say, not bad for a little DIY, do it at home yourself. Had to put a little touch up on that wheel. Excuse the dirtiness, y'all. I'm gonna clean it up, but I gotta wait on this rain to pass over and everything. Took care of that one. And that one. So I need y'all to jump down there in that comment section, man, and let me know what y'all think. Would y'all try this, or would y'all rather go to the wheel repair shop and go on and pay $100 a wheel, or simple little modifications like that where you can do it yourself at home for half the price? Let me know. Hit that like button. We're trying to grow. We're on the road to, let's say 2K. We're stagnated right now. We're back working. We got plenty more content coming for y'all guys. So yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. Mustang week coming up. It's in our back door. Excited about that. So of course y'all gonna see all the little small things that I do to my car, and Coyote Pete does to his. Speaking of Coyote Pete, there's his car right there. What did y'all think about that first ride video? If y'all haven't seen that, go back and look on the channel. It's been up a few days. I need y'all to hit watch my content, man. Hit that like button, subscribe to the channel, join the movement if you like Mustang content. All right, fam. JR Rose, we built by the grind, fast life Rose, and I'll see y'all on the next ride.